Discover the quietest exhaust inline fans that bring powerful airflow without the noise, helping you create a more comfortable and efficient space. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to give you better insights into the best products for your home, workspace, and beyond. Number 1. Activefinity Profin 8-inch Inline Fan. This inline fan integrates easily into existing HVAC ductwork to improve air circulation. It's particularly suited for kitchens because this 8-inch inline fan has a CFM of 428. It can move air quickly, helping to remove steam and cooking smells with ease. It has a noise level of 43 dB, which is the equivalent of a quiet refrigerator. The manufacturer also produces 4-inch and 6-inch models that are quieter. Of course, these don't move as much air. This inline fan has a die-cast body and its rotating motion is supported by dual ball bearings. The bearings are designed so you can install the fan horizontally or vertically. Good bearings are essential for reduced vibration, longer lifespan, and low noise levels. Then, it plugs into a standard wall outlet and has variable speed controls. This is useful in a kitchen because it gives you flexibility depending on what you're doing. Number 2. AC Infinity Cloudline T4 Inline Fan. I recommend this quiet inline fan for growing setups because it also includes a heater. This is helpful if your plants need warmer temperatures to grow properly. Of course, you must balance this against higher energy usage. 1. This 4-inch inline fan is quiet and has a CFM rating of 205. You might find this too strong for smaller grow tents, but it has an 8-speed control for just this reason. But if you want even greater airflow, you can easily set 2 inline fans up in series or parallel. You can get a total CFM of 804 by setting it up with other models of the Cloudline series. The controller is very user-friendly to control all of them together. What's more, this inline duct fan has a noise level of 28 dB, which is very quiet. More powerful models of the Cloudline series can reach 32 dB, delivering up to 402 CFM. Number 3. VivoSun 4-inch Inline Fan. While this quiet inline fan is a budget-friendly option, it sacrifices very little in the way of quality. Importantly, it has an airflow of 195 CFM at 2500 RPM and a noise level of 30 dB. It features an air deflector, which unsurprisingly directs the flow of air through the inline duct fan. While the manufacturers claim this reduces noise, it seems little more than a marketing gimmick. The Raxial fan mentioned above has a CFM of 265 and a noise level of 35 dB without deflector. You can use this inline fan in pretty much any application that'll take a 4-inch fan. You might find that bathrooms and kitchens have larger ductwork, meaning you'd need an adapter to fit it properly. This small inline fan plugs into a wall outlet rather than wiring into a wall switch. While this is fine for kitchens and grow tents, you might want a different model for a bathroom. Number 4. 1.7 TerraBloom 10-inch Inline Duct Fan. If you need a powerful grow room exhaust fan, this might be the model for you. It boasts an impressive airflow of 10,065 CFM, but this is offset against its maximum noise level of 65 dB. This makes it the most powerful and loudest fan on this list. The AC Infinity fan above would be fine for a small grow tent, but you'd want an inline duct fan like this if you're ventilating a whole room. It can provide either intake or exhaust depending on the setup and is easy to fit into ductwork. It comes with a speed dial and optional wireless remote. The included dial gives you great flexibility over fan speed as you're not limited to preset functions. You can also upgrade it with a temperature control and digital speed controller. Although this is suggested as a grow room fan, nothing is stopping you from using it in other applications. You might find this difficult unless you're installing specific ducting, as 10 inches is quite big. Number 5. VivoSun 6-inch Inline Fan with Carbon Filter. This is another good quiet exhaust fan for a grow room because it includes all the necessary pieces. You get the fan, a carbon filter, humidity sensor, and 8 feet of ducting. The inline duct fan has an airflow of 390 CFM, which will be fine for smaller grow setups. Importantly, the 6-inch inline fan is quiet, with a noise level rating of 37 dB. Inside the carbon filter is RC48 carbon. This is a particular type of carbon found in Australia and is very effective at removing contaminants and odors from the air. It's ideal for certain grow setups where odor control is important. Setup is fairly easy with all the included components. It's all designed to fit together, meaning you don't need to worry about choosing the right ducting. The set comes with clear installation instructions.